Okay.
Medyo nabigla din talaga kami, or it's very unfortunate. I think very unprofessional yung ginawa niya sa amin, at pinaasa lang sa amin. Sabi niya, he's going to win it. After the rain or shine game na lost namin, hindi practice anymore. Nawala na. Kesyo yung has to rest his foot. Tapos sinabi niya, may bump stomach siya. Tapos ngayon, sinasabi namin, you have to come to practice. Kasi hindi ang professional. And then, the PTs will treat you kung ano yung ano niya. Pero ang niya, hindi din niya kaya. So, ang sabi naman niya sa amin, he just needs rest and he'll play today and he'll make sure he's 100%. Tapos kanina, kinatanong siya, alas 2 ng 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the driver was there. Pero wala, hindi siya sumasagot. Nagkasalubong sila, I'm here, I'm just gonna wait for you, sabi ng driver. Then he went up to his room and locked the door. Wala na. Hindi na So, totally unprofessional, and I think he left us hanging. Wala man lamang kaming abiso na hindi kami nakapag-prepare na hindi siya lalaro. So, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa total 180-degree turn. He was a nice person before, but after that, ewan ko nangyari sa kanya. Hindi ko rin alam. And hindi dapat pwede palagpasin to yung mga ganyang attitude. Hindi ko pwede. Maraming repercussions for this. Sa mga players, sa management, sa coaches, sa mga preparation. Very unfortunate. Talaga nabigla kami talaga sa actions niya for today.
Coach Chief, pero nga, sa mga nagawa niya in the past few days.
Kinonta ko na. Because of what happened, now I was forced to get in touch right away with Denny. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung okay, Boss Robert, kung hindi nagagawin sa atin, that's why we called Denny right away. Kasi hindi pa siya tapos dun sa mga exit interview niya. Meron pa siya mga exit interview. But I told him, come over. Tapos may understanding kami. So I'll try to fly him in as soon as possible. Na-disappoint kami todo kay Justin Pano. I thought he was a real professional. Turns out hindi.
Coach, pero si Benny ba nakaplano or talagang yours?
He was in the radar. Anong nangyari kasi, di ba, hindi siya pwede because of his commitment. In fact, ang sabi niya sa akin nung nag-uusap kami, he still has an exit interview. So, yun lang. So, off the record.